A photo from your computer to upload. When you're starting out, don't upload all your photos, only the best ones. Over time, you'll learn the quality needed to make sales. After your photo finishes uploading, you will be taken to the Submit Content page. This is an extremely important step. Let's walk through all the options. For the image type, I assume it'll be a photo, but if you're uploading a graphic, then you would choose an illustration. For usage, if you don't have releases, then you will need to choose editorial, and there's a special format for the content of editorial descriptions. You'd also use editorial if you were photographing a public event. Otherwise, choose commercial. For the description, it's really important to include keywords in the description because it's used in the search results. You can also choose up to 2 categories. I don't think they really matter that much anymore because they aren't really prominent in the filters, but they used to be required.